Hi, thanks for joining me. This is just an explanation of the lessons that I'm giving you so you can soon understand the Jamaican language very well and who knows, one day talk it fluently. The structure is first I tell you a story or do a commentary in Jamaican patois, but immediately afterwards I tell you in English what I said. So keep joining me, and soon you will be able to understand everything a Jamaican says, and one day you may even learn to chat like a me. Have yourself a wonderful day. Bless up. So how you do today? Boy, me think everybody in the world glad say America election done because they want to mad everybody, you know. I not true we fast in American business. I just true that America powerful and everything them do. It a bad way in a some way or the other. Some good, some bad. So we glad them done with it. But Mrs. You know what bother me most? Me hear so idiot in America a chat about socialism. You have the Republican people and say the Democrat them are socialism. And you have some idiot in the Democrat party and say them are socialists. Me say, them people know what socialism is. Me all hear some idiot go on TV and say Canada our socialist country. Boy, me never hear such ignorance in my life. Because socialism is one wicked thing. Me used to live in Canada, you know. The only thing bad about Canada is the coal. You know what them do over there? Then tax you high and you get plenty things for it. And them, but at the private sector run the country and no government run the economy and decide say you can get this and you can get that there like under socialist country. And so the socialists them run thing, you know. Them want to control the economy. If you work hard and get rich, they want to take you away and give them family and friends. You know, me go to Venezuela 2 times. And Venezuela did one nice country, you know. Look how it mash up now. People have to run, go all over Colombia to get little food to eat. Oh my God, it's a sin. But me can't talk about Venezuela without talk about Jamaica because some people know they try bring socialism in Jamaica. Yes, me say them mash up our economy. We have to line up to get gas, we have to line up to get food. And me all have to send me picnic them go country because it did get so dangerous in a town. And not only that, they want to take away press freedom. So we have to fight to get back with like press freedom. And so that when we work with things are free and the thieving people, them in a government, no take it and give them friend and family. Me write that book, you know, it's called Looking Back, the Struggle to Restore Our Freedoms. It's on Amazon because me want the younger generation to know how we have to fight to get back with country in Jamaica. And you know what? A pure bad-minded people support socialism, you know, because what they like to have to take away where you work for and give to them friend and family. And that them depend, you know. You know, me go to Cuba 4 times because me have my cousin them down there. Me have the country pretty, it just round the corner from Jamaica, you know, just 90 miles from Jamaica. So me go down there and me like the place pretty, but Lord, the people them life terrible. Everybody poor and want something. And the poor girl them boy, them will do any little thing to get little money. It's sad. But you know, the thing where bother me about Jamaica, hypocrite them who have chat about socialism, me never see one of them over Cuba live, you know. But when me come to America, no whole heap of them in buck up. So they want control the economy in Jamaica, but they want come in America and them place where have good market economy like Canada. Don't think bad about Canada, you know the weather, I have to tell you. Mrs. who not stand far from socialism, and if the Democrat Party have sense, then we get rid of the idiot who are run them out of socialism, because them the people who make them lose vote. In the previous section, I was commenting how happy we are that the American elections are over, because what happens in America affects the entire world, and situation here stresses us a bit. Most of all, I found very ridiculous was the claim of the Republicans that Democrats are socialists. But what I found dangerous is that there is a little faction in the Democrat Party which is socialist. And if the Democrats don't put them on the manners, as we say in Jamaica, they are going to cause the party to lose votes, because no one who knows what socialism is would ever want to vote for a party that is going to control your economy, because that is what socialism is. They control the resources of a country and they control the distribution, so they decide who gets what and who can do what. So if you get rich, they don't tell you how much money you can make. Now, I heard some people in the election claiming that Canada was a socialist country. That is not true. I lived in Canada. Canada is a market economy. They tax you very highly, but they give you a lot of social benefits. That is not socialism. Socialism is when a government controls your economy and decides who gets what, when, and where. You know Bob Marley's song that says, "Give me the teachings of His Majesty, no give me no devil philosophy." Bob Marley was referring to socialism as a devil philosophy because he was very active in Jamaica when the government tried to introduce socialism in our country and destroyed our economy. It made things so bad for us, we had to be lining up for things like gas and basic foods. And they even threatened and tried to destroy press freedom. I had to send my children to safety to live in the country just to join the fight to get rid of socialism in Jamaica. And that is what inspired me to write the book, looking back, the struggle to restore our freedoms. If you really want to know about the socialist experience that I personally have been through, and if you don't understand socialism enough by just looking at what is happening in Venezuela, go get that book on Amazon. You have yourself a wonderful day and celebrate your freedoms every day. Do not allow politicians to take away your freedoms.